Hi YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about how to raise pigeons. Hi, what's up YouTube? Just want to go ahead and give you an update on our project of how to raise pigeons. Say hello. Hi. My assistant. All right, be careful, don't fall. Okay, so anyway, we built, well actually we didn't build it, my son built it. My husband and I, we told him that we wanted him to build us a pigeon coop, and this is an 8x8, and he built it on his own, didn't have any blueprints or anything like that. He just knew what to do. He's just very skilled like that. Gets it from my side of the family. So anyway, just want to go ahead and show you all how this works. He built the a slanted roof. Of course, that's good for rain and also snow. Keeps the roof from caving in. Put a door in for us. So I'll go ahead and have my beautiful little girl. Can you open the door for me? Okay. All right. So we put a lock on. We don't want any raccoons or anything like that to get in here during the day. Go ahead and close it up. Okay, so this is the inside. We have all of our pigeons here. And what he did was he built some boxes. The boxes are for all of them to roost in, hatch their eggs, and so forth. And so we have about 15 now. 15.
I mean,
oh, 16 birds. Most of them are already paired and mated. Now let me give you a little bit of history about pigeons. A lot of people think that pigeons are an unclean, nasty bird, but on the contrary, pigeons are very clean. They're biblically clean. And I think a lot of people feel like that they're unclean because of, you know, being in the city, and that's where you mostly see them. But they're actually, they're not aggressive. They're very sweet. They don't try to peck you or anything like that. And also, they are mated birds. So once they find a mate and they pair up, they actually stay with that mate for life. I think a lot of people could probably take on that characteristic, right? So let me show you what we got. As far as their food, we've got this is our food containers. It's nothing fancy. It's just some water, milk cartons, and we cut a hole in them. And what that is for is so that the birds cannot step inside. They don't you know, get their food dirty. They don't poop in their water or anything like that. So this is nothing fancy, but it does work for us right now this time. And so anyway, we've got that, and we feed them whole shelled corn. And let me say, as far as the corn is concerned, I'll pull this up, is you want to make sure that they don't have cracked corn, because if they have cracked corn, then they will when they swallow it, it scratches their throat and it can cause bacteria. We had a breeder that actually told us that. So we give them cracked corn, we give them black sunflower seeds, millet, wheat, and just a very little amount of like a chicken lane feed, but that's like at a very small amount. But other than that, that's pretty much it as far as what they're fed. Ayana has one of our newer pigeons, and she is a sweet girl. Actually, someone gave her to us, and because she has a wing that doesn't work all that great. She can fly, but it doesn't work good, and he just really didn't have a need for her, so he gave her to us. And she is actually one of the sweetest ones that we have. Wouldn't you say so?
I would, because every time I try to pick her up, she doesn't just fly away.
Right. She is very, very sweet and gentle. She's very nice. We have a couple of homing pigeons, but for the most part, They're the utility pigeons, which is a meat, kind of used more for meat. So anyway, this is our pigeons. I'll just kind of show you a few of them here. They don't like to be on camera, I can see. Let's see. I'm going to show you guys. Here's one treat we have. We have some eggs, 2 eggs. Now, let me tell you real quick. When they lay eggs, it takes the eggs 18 days to hatch. Only 18 days to hatch. Once they've hatched, the baby pigeons are called squabs. So the squab or the baby pigeon, they actually will be, oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Girl, you better get her off so she doesn't poop on your head. She's a sweet girl. See, like you could probably, like I just took her off. And look, she's really sweet. Actually, she looks like a pigeon. I mean, not a pigeon, but a dove, actually. Yeah, she looks a lot like a dove. So she's real sweet. She's not aggressive at all. But anyway, the squabs, the baby squabs, they take, once they're hatched, they will probably, they're about the size of the parent and within 30 days. So let me see. I'm not sure if Daddy is going to let me take a picture. But anyway, right now, when they have babies, they don't like you to mess with them, obviously. But you can kind of see, and I'm going to try not to get in the way. I know, let's see, hold on a second. I don't think I can get him. He probably, yeah, he doesn't want to get off the baby. But you can kind of see the baby underneath of him. And that pigeon or that squab is only a week old. Like, it does not take them long to let's see. He's not gonna want to move. Come on, we want to see the baby. Well, anyway, it's there. Trust me, guys. It's there.
There it is.
It's there.
Right there.
Yep, you can see it a little bit. He's not going to move,
Oh,
which
I
is
see
okay.
another egg.
Yeah, there's another egg under there, which is fine. We don't want to bother him. The parents.
That's so cute.
I know. Both of the parents, they actually sit on the egg and the baby. The father does, and then they take turns, and they also feed the babies together. So it's real sweet to be able to see that. But right now we've got about 3 eggs, 1 squab, and we'll just kind of keep you guys updated a little later. And that's about it, guys. All right, so we'll keep you tuned in.
Bye.
Bye.